Hi everyone, today we're going to learn bird's name in English. Pigeon, Pigeon. Peacock, Peacock. Parrot, Parrot. Sparrow, Sparrow. Woodpecker, Woodpecker. Owl, Owl. Kingfisher, Kingfisher. Crow, Crow. Kite, Kite. Eagle, Eagle. Swan, Swan. Bat, Bat. Ostrich, Ostrich. Dove, Dove. Crane, Crane. Duck, Duck. Robin, Robin. Penguin, Penguin. Hummingbird, Hummingbird. Turkey, Turkey. Flamingo, Flamingo. Gull, Gull. Rooster, Rooster. Vulture, Vulture. Hornbill, Hornbill. Nightingale, Nightingale. Myna, Myna. Hen, Hen. Egyptian vulture, Egyptian. Vulture. Duckling, Duckling. Thank you for watching and please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for all notifications.